Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I will review the brand new Bananagun Pro trading platform. You may already know Bananagun as a Telegram trading bot for meme coins, but now they have launched their own web application and it rocks. The main focus of Bananagun was to make it as fast as possible. A few seconds of delay can mean missing out on a 100x opportunity. Banana Pro is built by the same team behind the popular Bananagun Telegram bot, and it's designed for one thing: to make lightning fast trades. Let's break down what makes it special and how it works. Banana Pro was built for sniping, but they have taken things to the next level with a clean web interface, better execution speed and instant trade confirmations. Everything happens in milliseconds. The faster your trade executes, the higher your chances of catching the pump before the crowd. Banana Pro is engineered to make sure your transactions go through instantly without lag or delays. One of the nice parts of Banana Pro is the dark mode interface. It's clean and easy to use. Click on the Wallets tab below the page to see your wallets. You can transfer funds from one wallet to another, create a new wallet, or export your private key and import it into your Phantom wallet so you have it available there as well. If you open a chart, you'll find the watch list on the left side, and below you can add different tools like the token info, pending orders, transactions and much more. The trading box is on the right side. If you click the buy button, the trade occurs instantly and you receive a notification that shows exactly when and how much you have traded. Everything updates in real time. To change the instant buy presets, just click here and adjust the amounts. The same goes for the sell buttons, and you can set limit orders or DCA into a token, or you can use the snipe tool to buy tokens when they launch. The interface is built to give you full control and transparency without clutter or confusion. You can add different sections at the bottom of the page by clicking the plus sign. For example, if you want to add the bubble map or top holders here, you can do it. To go back to the home page, just click the trenches button. In the display settings, you can add or remove specific metrics. You can create alerts and blacklist scam tokens. In the trenches, you will find the new deploys, recently deployed meme coins, close to migration tokens that are about to move to big exchanges like Uniswap or Radium, and the new pairs, which are migrated tokens. Because so many new coins appear every minute, you can use filters to show only tokens that meet your criteria. For example, hide every token below the 5,000 market cap and so on. In the top holders page, you can see how smart wallets interact, who is sending money where and how the liquidity moves. This helps you spot suspicious behavior or track whales and insiders who might know something you don't. If you find a trader wallet who is constantly winning, you can copy their wallet and automatically trade just like them, instantly, with no manual setup. All this makes Banana Pro one of the easiest copy trading bots for meme coins. Banana Pro has its own banana token, and here's the cool part. If you hold the token, you get back 40% of all your trading fees. This way you can earn passive income from the platform's trading activity, which is a nice bonus for loyal users. The price of Bananagun is now around $13, so it retraced from its all-time high of $64, but I expect the price to move up again when more people start using the platform. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before buying any token and don't use money that you can't afford to lose. There are plenty of trading bots out there like Astro, Axiom, Unibot and others, but Banana Pro stands out because it's full web-based with no Telegram setup, it's extremely fast, it has a smart dashboard with tons of customizable filters and tools, it has a built-in copy trading feature, and it offers Bananagun token rewards for holders. The website is created by experienced developers who know meme coin trading inside out. If you want early access and pay fewer fees when trading meme coins, you can sign up with my link below. Banana Pro took what traders loved about the Banana Telegram bot and turned it into a next level trading experience. Just remember, Memecoin trading is risky, but with the right tools and a bit of luck, you might just catch the next big pump. If you have any questions about this bot, let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to leave a like to tell the YouTube algorithm to show this video to more people. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, do it right now and you will get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and see you soon.